Hello, my name is Howard McLaren. I'm the co-founder and creative director of the brand R+Co, and we're proud to bring you On a Cloud, Baobab oil repair shampoo and mask. This line is for anyone looking to reset or repair their hair from damage while adding deep hydration, shine and a soft feel. Here we are with Sarah Sloan, who's one of our global educators, and her model Aubrey. Aubrey has amazing texture and a bright, beautiful colour job, but her hair has been through several chemical processes to get it to the colour that it is today. These repairing formulas will help rebond her hair's inner structure as it cleanses, and it will infuse the hair with moisture, essential oils and caring ingredients. While Sarah and Aubrey are working on the products, I want to talk about some of those amazing ingredients and the qualities that On a Cloud shampoo and mask bring to the hair. First is the Baobab oil protein. This helps rebuild bonds, nourish and repair the hair. On a Cloud also contains vitamin E and C, which are powerful antioxidants that protect the hair from free radicals. This blend of oil and vitamins help hair fibre retain moisture to enhance the appearance and feel of damaged hair. Next are plant proteins. These fortify the hair's inner and outer structure. Last is the maca extract, which moisturises and protects hair fibre. On a Cloud Baobab Oil Repair Shampoo provides gentle cleansing and is never over-drying. The rich creamy lather hydrates hair and easily rinses without residue, all while protecting hair colour. It instantly softens and repairs while adding incredible shine, taming frizz and strengthening the hair fibre to help protect against breakage and mend split ends. Now we see Sarah's finished with Aubrey's hair. It looks healthy and hydrated. On a Cloud has added a lot of shine and has left her hair feeling incredibly soft. Her hair will continue to appear to feel healthier and stronger over time with continued usage. R+Co products are made without parabens, no sulfates, harsh detergents or animal derivatives. They're colour safe, they're gluten-free, cruelty-free and vegan. They provide UV protection, and we're proud to say they're made in the USA. Thank you and enjoy On a Cloud.